The honest opinion. Hello everybody, welcome. Now I was asked if I could pop down Aldi's this morning. They had something in. So I've gone down at 8 o'clock this morning. Good job I did, because we only had a couple in there. And I've got this. Duck burgers. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Quite expensive though, £2.79p. So for two, that's all you get. So they're quite expensive for what they are. It's got hoisin sauce and spring onion seasoning. So it's perfect for barbecue, but obviously I ain't barbecue them. Warm the grill. Pull them in till they're cooked. So let's see what they taste like. So let's open them up first, and we'll get the grill on. We'll have a look at them, we'll have a smell, see what they taste like, see what they smell like, taste like, I haven't even cooked them, see what they smell like. And then put them in the grill, and we'll have a taste test. Right then, let's open them up, let's have a look, see what they look like. I've never had duck burger before, ever. I've had duck, but not duck burger. If I can get this open, there we go. Oh, I can smell that straight away, Jesus. Oh, they're really soft. Really soft. Can I get them out? Just falling apart. That's a bit tricky, isn't it? I don't want to break them up, you see. There it is, look. It's all gooey and everything. Let me just get that straight on the tray first. Then I'll show you. Ugh. God. Oh my God, look. Let me just wash my hands. Ugh. Right, there they are. I'm not going to be able to pick them up because they're just absolutely disintegrating as you touch them. But they smell nice. It looks like they're even going to fall through the wire rack. I hope they stay together. I was going to season the one and see what the difference is with the seasoning, but I ain't going to be able to turn that over. It's just falling apart from there. Touch it. So I'm just going to stick them in the grill as they are. I might do one. I've got some buns. I might do one with some salad and some cheese, and the other one just plain, because I want to actually taste the burger. If it comes out okay, that's it. So I'll get them in the grill. And when they're cooked, I'll bring you back. I'll just show you this. All falling through the racking. I've had to put them on parchment paper. Absolutely pain. God, they better taste nice after all this messing around. Well, you can see where it's all just trying to fall through. If you put them on a barbecue, they just disintegrate. Anyway, I'm going to stick them back in. I just thought I'd show you that. Right, let me just show you this quickly. They smell delicious. I mean, they're not done yet, but they seem to have set now. Move them around a bit. Thank God for that. I just thought I'd show you that. I mean, they smell lovely. I've done myself some burgers. I'll put them back in. About another 5 minutes. But they smell lovely. Right, they're done. They're absolutely done and they smell gorgeous. There they are. They smell lovely. And you can pick them up. They're still a bit tender like, but that's what you want. Well, what an absolute pain at the beginning. But they smell gorgeous, absolutely. So all the juices, look. So I'm going to put them on a couple of burgers, as I say, because I want to test the burger on the one, just the burger on its own, because it might taste vile, but it might taste nice with a salad, I don't know. So let's get one. But what I would say is, I would probably do it in the frying pan, to be honest with you, to get them sealed really quick, so you can move them around. But they look really nice. There's them. Let's put a bit of cheese on this one. Boom. Lovely. There we go. They look very nice and very appetising as well. I say £2.79 there was. So let's give them a taste test and we'll see if they're worth the money. I mean £2.79, they need to be gourmet, don't they? So, I mean that one looks better, doesn't it, with all the salad and that on. And I've even done a fried tomato on it as well at the bottom. Fried the tomato. Lovely. But I say I wanted to just try the burger, because I wanted to see what that just tastes like on its own. But it's a shame I couldn't season it. So I wanted to season that one, but I was scared to move it around and that. It was right pain, absolute pain. So anyway, down to the taste test. Let's taste the normal one first. I mean, it might be horrible. But let's have a taste. But it smells gorgeous. I mean, if you could smell that through the phone, you know, you'd be... I mean, there it is. Let's have a go. Mmm. Oh, wow. Boiling up. That is an absolute stunner. Jesus. That is probably one of the best burgers I've ever tried. And that's no joke. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now try my one. Now, to be honest with you, the cheese takes away a bit of the taste. But that on its own is a stunner. Honest to God, that's a stunner. But that's nice as well. But it takes away a little bit of the taste. Because obviously you can taste the cheese and that. But that's gorgeous. Is that worth $2.79? I'd say so, yeah. Yeah, definitely. Because that is probably one of the best burgers I've ever tried. And I'm not joking. When you've had that, I'll have a little bit. Let me see. Nat, do you want to try some of this? She doesn't really like duck or anything. Want to try some of this? It's absolute stunner, honestly. Yeah? I'll cut you some off. Best burger I've ever tried. Cut a bit off. Don't eat well of it. That one there. And that's the one with the salad and the fried tomato on it.
Are you going to tell me what burger it is?
Duck.
Duck?
Oh, we'll have a part, yeah.
I'm gone.
It's duck. Tell me what you think. I think it's stunning.
I'll try the one on its own first.
Your honest opinion. Don't like it? Don't you like it? No. No. What'd you give that then, a full sound? You don't like duck anyway, do you? No, I don't like it. I absolutely love it.
That's disgusting.
No?
That's rancid.
No, she doesn't like it. I do.
Oh, it's horrible.
There you
That's
go.
not nice.
There you
Yeah,
go.
but everybody's different. Some people like duck.
Do you want to call it not?
Yeah, 1 minute, right?
Oh, no, I need to drink
Yeah,
now.
so
Oh, no.
I love it. She doesn't like, but she doesn't like duck anyway. So
Oh.
no, there you go. Different opinions, different tastes. I absolutely love it. I'd recommend it. Nat'd say no chance, wouldn't you?
Not a chance. No, thank you.
Anyway, there you go. I'm having more. I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. You watch from out Lidl. Bye bye.